What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say? Yeah, what about?
No!
Mm-hmm.
No! No! No!
What's the feeling?
Cut.
Feel like we're cut?
Yeah. Umbilical cord.
Ah.
Ah! Ah! Feels weak here.
Uh-huh.
Oh! Feels weak. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Didn't want him to cut the umbilical cord,
What?
Didn't want him to, huh?
No!
Why?
No! It's me, it's part of me.
Mm-hmm.
It's part of me, it's part of me.
Part of you, right.
Part of me.
It's part of you.
Part of me.
Mm-hmm.
Part of me.
Mm-hmm.
Ah!
Right. It was supposed to be part of you for a while longer. What's going on? What's the feeling? Can you say the feeling out?
Being suffocated.
Suffocated. Being suffocated?
Yeah, being wrapped around with something tight.
Ah.
I don't like it.
Mm-hmm.
No, 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 no,
That's
no,
it.
no, no,
That's
no,
it.
no, no,
You
no,
tell them, yeah.
No, no, get out.
Yeah, Yeah.
Get out.
You couldn't tell them then, but you can tell them now.
Get out. Get out. Get out.
That's it. You tell them.
Get out.
It's never too late to tell them.
Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Out. Out.
So what happened? Did they overpower you and get it around you?
Yes.
And then you just went limp?
Yes.
Not more you could do, huh?
Yeah.
How do you feel now?
Exhausted.
Can you fight back? No, you're feeling like you did then, aren't you?
Yeah.
Exhausted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. 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 Oh.
What's going on now?
Oh. Oh. Oh.
What's going on?
It's a feeling of being swaddled.
Oh. And what does that feel like?
Swaddled.
What does that feel like?
Tight. Tight.
You don't like that?
Yeah, tight.
You don't like that?
No.
Why not? What does it feel like?
No, confining.
Oh, yeah, confining.
No, can't move.
Can't move, huh?
No, can't move.
Can't move.
Oh! Held back.
Held back. Wow.
Oh!
Held back. Wow.
Oh!
Marilyn, you're held back.
Oh!
Oh my God, they're holding you back.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh my God.
Oh! No!
Oh my God, they're holding you back.
I don't know. No, 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 no.
That's it. That's it. You can do something about it now. You can do something about it now. That's it. You couldn't do nothing about it then. You couldn't do nothing about it then. That's it. What did you want to do? What did you want to do? What did you want to do? Yeah, you tell them. It's never too late to get angry at the ones who fucked you over.
Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you!
They've been waiting a long time for you to get that. They deserved it.
Fuck you! Fuck
Give it to them.
Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you!
What did they do to you? What did they do to you?
Fuck you! Ah!
What did they do to you?
They tied me up. They held me back. I couldn't move. I couldn't come out.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh!
And what did that make you feel like?
No! No! Helpless.
Helpless.
Helpless. Helpless.
Oh God.
Helpless. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
You didn't like feeling helpless then, huh?
No, 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 no. No, no. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Keep it up a little bit again, huh? You just can't keep fighting it, can you? It's exhausting, isn't it? That's right. So every time you give up a little bit, they've won a little bit, haven't they? But there's nothing you can do, is there? It's so sad. It's so sad. Do you think your life would have been different if you had been able to move? You good?
Oh, yes.
Do you think your life would have been different?
Oh, yes.
Oh, really?
Stronger.
Yeah.
Stronger.
Yeah, you think you had it in you to be stronger?
Yeah.
Until they did that, huh?
That's right.
I think
they took my strength away.
I think they did too.
They sapped it at a critical time.
Yeah. Yeah.
At a critical time, they took it.
Oh God.
Never got it back.
Right.
Only half there.
Mm.
Oh, horrible.
Yeah, it's horrible.
Horrible. Horrible.
Oh.
Only half here.
Oh God.